In this video, I will explain how to read a text file using C and display the content of file on the output screen. Let's get started. I have opened code blocks and created a C project. In order to read from the file, let's first create a text file. I will open the folder location of my current C program. I will right click here, New, click on Text Document. I will name this file cFileOperations.txt. I will double click and write some text in it. This is a demo on file operations in C. I will save and close the file. I will now go back to code blocks. In order to perform read operation on file using C programming, I will follow three simple steps. First step is to open a file, second step is to read from the file, and third step is to close the file. I will write the code step by step. First step mentions about opening the file. In order to open the file, I will first need to create a file pointer and then use an inbuilt function named fopen. In order to declare a file pointer, I will type file in all capitals space asterisk fp followed by semicolon. Here I have created a file pointer named fp. You are free to use whatever name you wish to. I am using fp as a file pointer name. This file pointer fp will be used to point to my text file. Now I will make use of fopen function to open my text file. Here is the syntax: fopen in round brackets file name location, mode. This function accepts two parameters, file name location and mode of file operation. Mode of file operation can be read mode, write mode, append mode or read-write mode. You need to choose the mode based on your requirement. I want to just read from the file, hence I will use read mode represented by alphabet small r. This function returns a file pointer. I will go to next line and type fopen within round brackets. I need to specify file name location. I will type cFileOperations.txt within double quotes, small r again within double quotes, ending the statement with semicolon. Here, since I have my file at the location of my C program file, I have specified the relative path here. Else, I need to specify absolute path, that is, path from the root of my current drive. I am using small r, that is read-only mode, as I want to only read from the file. This function returns a file pointer, hence I will add fp equals to. This file pointer fp will now point to the file cFileOperations.txt. I am done with writing a code to open the file. Now let's write a code for step 2, that is to read the content of the file. Here I will read and display the text on the output screen using printf statement. If you are getting value out of this video, can you click on subscribe button? I will use following approach: read character by character and print it until I reach end of the file. I will first write an empty infinite while loop, while within round brackets 1 followed by curly braces. Inside while loop, I will use getC inbuilt function which will return first character in the file. I will need a character variable to store the character returned by getC function. I will go to the top and declare a character variable char space ch followed by semicolon. Now I will come back to my while loop and type ch equals to getC within round brackets. I need to type file pointer fp ending the statement with semicolon. During execution of this statement, getC will read the first character, move the cursor to second character in the file, and then it will return first character which will be stored in the variable ch. If the cursor is already at the end of the file, this function will return eof. In the next line, I will check if I have reached end of the file. If yes, then exit the loop. I will go to next line and type if ch equals to eof, then break. If it is not end of the file, I will print value of ch. I'll go to next line and type printf in double quotes %c, ch, ending the statement with semicolon. This while loop will execute until it reaches end of the file. I will reiterate how the execution happens. Program will execute this file, read the first character, move the cursor to second character and return first character. First character will be stored in variable ch. getC function will return EOF if it is end of the file. It then checks if ch is equal to EOF. If yes, exit the loop, else print the value of ch, that is first character in this case. It then executes this statement again. getC will now read second character, move the cursor to the third character and return second character. Second character will be stored in variable ch. getC will return EOF if it is end of the file. It then checks if variable ch is equal to EOF. If yes, then exit the loop, else print the value of ch, that is second character in this case. This while loop iteration will continue until it encounters end of the file. If this video is helping you, please support me by clicking on like button below. If you have any questions, do let me know in comment section below. I will now move on to the third step, that is closing of the file. In order to close the file, I will use an inbuilt function fclose. Fclose accepts one parameter, that is pointer to the file which needs to be closed. I will type fclose within round brackets fp, ending the statement with semicolon. This program on execution should display the content of the file on the output screen, that is the text. This is a demo on file operations in C. I will compile and run the code. If you see here, my C program read the content of the file and displayed it on the output screen. Quick assignment for you. Move the input text file to some other location outside of your C program root folder. Update the file path in fopen function and try executing the code again. Do let me know in comment section whether or not you were able to do it successfully.